What's up, everybody? Today we are going back to Big Lake. I'm going by myself. I'm going to be bringing my nephews, I believe. They're at my mom's house. My mom lives on Big Lake. So we're going to get right to it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully you guys liked the last video. Yesterday I posted a video, or today I should say, I posted a video of Colin and I fishing on Big Lake. I'm going to go back and try to catch that big one that I lost. I was really upset that I missed that one. Anyways, let's get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys can do me a favor, if you guys watch this video and you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you guys don't mind. It really helps me out. I really enjoy making these videos, even if it's not being viewed by a lot of people. It's just something that I like to do. It's kind of like a little creative outlet. I love fishing, so it's kind of win-win, I guess. So I do put some time in it, some effort most of the time. Anyways, so yeah, if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like the videos if you like them, leave comments if you guys want to. It really helps and I appreciate it. So let's get right to it. On, everybody, I'm gonna try and do a couple hours of fishing there. I think there's a bass fishing tournament earlier today. There's a bunch of bass boats they're leaving right now, so we might not catch a whole lot. I have faith though. It's 2:15 in the afternoon. Let's get to it. I'm gonna try and catch as many fish as possible today. All right, we're gonna be fishing with the same rig I had on yesterday. Last time I was out here. Just another brush hog. I think this is pumpkin. I'm not sure. So a Texas rig. It's oh geez, still haven't fixed that. Let's get to the spot. It's just it's like non-stop freaking wake. That's all it is right here. So many inner tubers and. It's really annoying. God. This is more annoying though. Freaking. Please be a fish. That was a good cast. You guys should see all the boats. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boats right there. Within like 400 yards of me. It's ridiculous. Awesome. Just awesome. There we go. Oh. This is ridiculous, guys. Worst day on the water I've had in a long time. Just with the amount of boats, waves, and just He had it. He had it. I just didn't. Oh. Must be a little guy or something. There we go. Skunk is off. The skunk is off. We are out here fishing. This is called Twin Lakes. This is kind of a gross lake pond situation, but apparently there's bass here. I've never caught a bass here before. I've never fished for them, but I can see fish rising right now. Usually a lot of trout, but I can see fish rising everywhere. Holy smokes. I have not fished this lake in years. God, there's fish everywhere. Bluegills. This might be productive. Might be time to throw a frog on almost, actually. But we're gonna start just right here. I brought like all my gear because there's a sketchy dude shooting up heroin just right by the car, and I didn't want to leave it, so let's get a first cast going. Well, guys, my GoPro died right here. The rest of the evening, I saw a bunch of big boils. Didn't really get into anything. I caught a couple little small guys on a Senko. Other than that, the video is pretty slow, I know. It's a bad day. We all have bad days out in the water. So I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit different. I'm going to try and do a little bit more B-roll footage like you guys saw, you know, the intro. I like doing that type of stuff, make it a little bit more interesting. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff if you guys wish. I hope to see you guys next time.